there, friends. Let's sing today about punctuation and the games we play. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go! Periods, finish. Commas, pause. Question marks, wonder what's the cause. Exclamation marks, celebrate, hooray. Punctuation helps us every day, so when you write or read along, punctuation makes it strong. Periods, commas, and more, you see, they help you write so perfectly. When a sentence ends, the period's there, a little dot to show you're done. Take care, it tells us stop, it makes it clear the sentence is finished. No need to fear. Period, stop right at the end, a tiny dot like a helpful friend. It closes the thought, makes it neat and clear. The period shows the end is here. When you're writing, here's a little tip. The comma helps your sentences flip. It's a tiny mark that makes you pause to keep your writing clear. Just because when you're speaking and want to breathe, a comma gives you time to weave. In Mom, Can I Go Outside? You'll see the comma helps you say it happily. If you have a question, just raise your hand. A question mark will help you understand. It asks why and how and where and when. Let's ask it once, then ask again. Question mark, what's the deal? It asks what's up and how do you feel? It helps us learn and explore some more. The question mark opens every door. When you're excited, don't be shy. Use an exclamation to touch the sky. It says, wow, great, let's go play. Bringing fun to everything you say. So next time you're thrilled, don't you wait. The exclamation point is really great. It adds excitement to every line. With just one mark, you'll feel so fine. Periods, finish. Commas, pause. Question marks, wonder what's the cause. Exclamation marks, celebrate, hooray. Punctuation helps us every day, so when you write or read along, punctuation makes it strong. Periods, commas, and more, you see, they help you write so perfectly.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.